problematic issue with historic tile installation comes in the forms of cracked tiles. This occurs when the metal lathe and mortar beds on which the tiles are adhered contract over time. In instances where tiles can be harvested from behind toilets or vanities, sections of wall can be removed from the metal lathe and mortar beds. Once a portion of the wall has been removed, the individual tiles can be freed from one another by cutting through the mortar bed up to the tile along the grout lines. This leaves a single tile attached to a piece of mortar. You can then cut along the edge of the tile to remove the rest of the mortar. The tile can then be placed on the wet saw bed and any residual mortar can be removed. For a tutorial on how to remove cracked tiles without damaging surrounding tiles, please refer to our video, Tile Removal and Replacement.